Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we post natural and braided hair compilation videos. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for subscribing to my content. I don't take it for granted. I do post compilation videos of other content creators, and I do not claim any of these videos. In case you find them helpful, please again don't forget to subscribe. Let's get on to the video. So today what we have installed for you is fitting braids with a wave or a swing with a curly human hair. This is a trending hairstyle which one needs to rock in 2023, and it's a very beautiful and a protective hairstyle, and also a versatile one which one can try. So to achieve this hairstyle, one will need definitely a comb, a hair and a needle, shine and jam or a wax to make sure the hair is tucked in, any weave, or for better use you can use a human hair bundle, curly deep wave bundle, which will last you longer. Yes, in a week up maybe. It's not a must.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time.
So the first step is to part the hair into two parts, two sections from ear to ear. Then you should tie the section of the hair with a hairband, and the best approach is to start working from the bottom. You should part the hair and braid it into a desired number of braids, and you can either put a wig cap on it or not. The next step is to take the curly deep wave bundle and use the needle to thread in and sew it into the tracts of your hair. Another tip is that at the topmost part of the last sewing, you should sew in the hair while facing the opposite side to prevent the tracks from showing. Then you should repeat this process until you're satisfied and with the volume of the hair you want. Then you should proceed to the top section and divide it into two equal parts. From here you can use wax or gel on your rods as you're parting the section for your cornrows in order to ensure that they're clean and neat. You should braid your hair into a stitch cornrow braids as you gradually feed in with the braids. Then you should use edge control to lay in your baby hair in order to make the look cleaner and neater and beautiful. So if you want to try out this hairstyle, you should continue with the video in order to see some other inspiration, and I'll see you the next time. Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of the video. Bye.
But I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh, you're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.